Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, please join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'm gonna make this a really quick video. I'm pretty bullish today. Yesterday I was very bearish. We did hit my target of down to 431, which is kind of ridiculous, right? And we came down super hard. For today, we are starting to run a little bit hard to the upside right now, and we should be closing a 4-hour bull trigger pretty soon. We should be closing this sometime in the next 20 minutes or so. So short term for today, I am pretty bullish to the upside, and I'm looking for something, maybe us running back up to a 436 is possible. And if we do run up here, we could probably keep going higher. Here, oh yeah, Netflix earnings yesterday were absolutely insane, so we'll see how that does. But again, I can definitely see us pushing all the way back from here, all the way back to a 436, 437 on the SPX. On SPY, that would probably be a 436 maybe. But yeah, I can definitely see us pushing all the way up to around this general area, this channel uptrend right here. I want to see where Apple's at. DXY, yeah, DXY is coming down. Yeah, I'd say easy longs right now, just because DXY has that 4-hour. So I can definitely see us just coming down to a 105.6 or something on the daily. Daily still has a chance to come down. Let me see Nasdaq 100. Same thing for the Nasdaq. Yeah, same thing for the Nasdaq. I mean, this could be man, this could be just a retest of this level, and then before you dump super hard. But I don't know. I'm pretty bullish, at least towards a little bit higher, especially with Netflix coming out with earnings, with them doing so well. I wonder how Disney did actually. Disney's not popping. Yeah, Disney didn't jump up that much. I actually bought some calls on Netflix yesterday, but it was just one call just to see how it went, and I bought 405s. So my calls are like $7, $8 out of the money, which is kind of ridiculous because for it to have what kind of move was this? You're gonna see some 40x returns, man, overnight. That's a 15% move, man, overnight. Yeah, you're gonna see some 40x returns for sure. Somebody's gonna be making a huge bag on Netflix today in the morning. But yeah, I'm definitely pretty bullish. I don't want to say earnings is what made me bullish. Longer term, I am pretty bearish just because we are on the daily bear trigger still, right? Again, you could stay flat here and keep pushing towards the upside. The 2 days still not bearish yet, and you are bouncing off this level, right? Not only are you bouncing, but you basically came back up here, and technically you wicked down on the daily, right? So you already wicked down on the daily, and you're starting to turn that daily candle into a bullish daily candle, right? So I could definitely see us pushing up super hard. I'm pretty bullish for today. I think we keep pushing towards the upside, maybe somewhere in the area of 436 to 437. For SPY, I think that would be what level would that be for SPY? Probably up here, a 434, 435 probably. I don't know, but I'm looking at in the money 430s for maybe a week or 2 weeks out for SPY. QQQ, probably the same thing. Yeah, QQQ already ran up a whole bunch. It ran up, well, it's $1. It's not that bad. So QQQ I could definitely see pushing towards 365, maybe 366. If 366 hits, you definitely are, you're breaking this downtrend right here, right? You're breaking first downtrend if you hit 366, and I can definitely see us pushing higher if we hit 366, right? So I'll see 366, we come down and then push. But yeah, I'm definitely bullish for today, especially in the next 15 minutes. If we close this 4-hour, oh, there's your retest right there. Look at that. That's a perfect retest, bro. Look at that, right? Break, come down, retest trend, pushing up, and you even broke these highs on that wick. So yeah, I'm in gold calls right now. So gold's doing extremely well. I'll probably switch from gold calls at open. Actually, I don't know, because gold's about to fucking moon again. So Depends. It depends, I guess. I'll probably get like maybe a week or 2 week out. I'm trying to see which one would give you the most, maybe more returns, right? But I think the SPY calls will probably give me more money as opposed to the gold. So we'll see at morning. I don't know. I'm holding gold calls and we'll see. But I'll probably sell my gold calls to get into SPY calls and probably QQQ calls. But yeah, I think after this closes in about what, 14 minutes. Yeah, you're closing above trend. You did that retest already in the 30-minute. Yeah, I can definitely see us going back to like a 437. And SPY is not really moving all that much from its 430, right? And you can essentially right now, if you bounce from here, this could turn into a double bottom. But we'll see. We'll see what's going on. We already have this double top pattern to see if it plays out and it goes all the way down to 421, right? We'll see. But technically on the daily is pretty bearish. So technically I should be shorting, right? Because you closed this yesterday, right? You closed a fresh bear on the daily. So, you know, nobody should be longing right now, right? Absolutely nobody should be longing. But again, you're starting to see these wicks here come down. You could bounce from here all the way up 15212 on the NASDAQ. So we'll see what's going on. We'll see what's going to happen. I am personally pretty bullish for today, just for today. And that's with this 4-hour bull trigger closing in 13 minutes. So if this closes, I'm probably going to go into, what is it called? Into calls right at open for like a week or 2 weeks out in the money. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.